So let's take a look at how you can get all the files in the directory using Golang. So first thing to do is open command prompt and type in go and check whether you can execute it for command line options. If you can get it, then that means you have Go compiler installed. Next thing would be to open text editor such as Visual Studio Code and create one file. Let's name it demo.go. Okay, so here first thing, package main is created. Then we are importing fmt, also IOUtil. Okay, after that, you can type in the function main, and here you have files and error. Okay, so here I'm going to use IOUtil dot read directory. I'm going to just read the present directory, and if error occurs, so if there are no errors, then we can skip ahead, or if there are any errors, then we can simply use fmt dot println error. Okay, if we skip without error, then we can use for loop, then underscore comma, and then f equals to range files, so read all the files, and then use fmt.println to output those files. So f dot name. Okay, so we have to output all the names as well. Okay, so you can pause and go through all the code. Now open command prompt. Okay, now here type in go, then run, then demo.go. So make sure that you're in the same directory where you have stored this demo.go file. Okay, you can also use terminal from Visual Studio Code, or you can open command prompt on your Windows. Okay, so I'm opening Windows command prompt, and here I'm going to execute this. It may take some time to compile depending on antivirus running in the background, so you have to be patient for a few seconds. Okay, after hitting enter, it should show me the output of all the files within directory. As you can see here, the directory is listed with dot in the same directory where we have our demo.go file. As you can see, it has listed all the files within that directory. Okay, so you can go through the code and try on your own with different file paths. Okay, so you can check for root directory or any other directory of your choice.